Okay, hi you guys. I know this is not the best setup, but my mic is not working and I have been very busy. I'm in the middle of doing laundry, so I'm trying to record this while it's drying, and I need to walk my dog after this. So not doing anything fancy today. I just want to get this resource out, which I'm so excited about. It is an escape room nursing student edition. Now, I'm so excited about this because I was trying to think of an idea for a skills lab that I was covering, and I wanted something fun for them. And so the night before, I wanted to do an escape room, but I went on Google. I couldn't find anything on the internet. And when I did find something, it was just articles about the hospital or school doing an escape room, but there was no video, no products that I could find. So I made my own. I stayed up late at night, created my own escape room, and I thought, if I needed it, I'm pretty sure there's a nursing instructor out there that would find this very helpful. So this video is going to walk through the escape room that I created and that I used on many of the students at the school that I taught, and they loved it. It was so fun to watch them. If you like what you see in the video, you can actually purchase that template. You can find the template link down below in the description, and you can purchase it from there, or you can just watch this video, get idea, and create your own. But if you want something quick, easy, you like what you see, you can just purchase it at my online shop. So for the preparation, I printed out the file, and these are the signs that I laminated, which is optional, but it will last longer for future escape rooms. This is how I have the folder set up. I put all the clues on the left side so that it's easier to just hand it to them. And then I move the scoring sheet on in the front, and then the order, you could just follow it so you could see the answers here. And then I use dividers to make it easier. That's not the order. So these are the answers for the NCLEX question. It's easy to flip. So you can put the escape room sign at the entrance. And for your setup, it's best to have a room like this, or at least to have like 2 beds that you can use with curtains. And so I put all the bed signs up on the curtains. Now I'm going to walk you through how the escape room is going to be. And this is what you tell the students first. So your mission is to find out which patient in this room needs a procedure done and find the doctor's order and implement it. You have 1 hour, and if you do not do it, the patient will expire and you're going to stay overtime. So you can have unlimited hints, but every hint that you ask, you're going to have 2 minutes included into your time. So I suggest that you agree as a group if you feel like you need a hint.